Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload photos to Google Drive. Now, this is my Google Drive right here, and let's go ahead and start to create a new folder. Let's go ahead and call this one Photos. And then let's open the photos, and from here you can actually just drop files or click the new button and then click File Upload. Locate that particular or those particular photos and then upload it here. I'm gonna go ahead and make this easier. I'm gonna use this stock images here. Let's go ahead and make this small. Say for example, these 5 images I'm gonna upload to my drive. I can just go ahead and drag this and it is gonna be uploaded here on my drive right away. All right, 5 uploads complete. As you can see, they are in different format, PNG, JPEG, but they're all here. So if I click them, as you can see, you should be able to see here both of the files or all of the files that I have uploaded. Again, that is how you're going to upload photos to Google Drive.